What's up, buds? It's time for one more Sloss Drone Derby prize package today, and this one is from FatStraps, Steve. Check it out. FatStrap is one of the dopest companies in FPV. Look at all these custom straps he makes. Which one would you want? He makes so many different dope designs and different flavors. He even makes custom straps like DroneShop.nl had this one made. Freaking zombies. All of it. And they are made in America. Check out that M16. I love it. He even makes buttons. Look, come to Sloss Drone Derby, get you custom buttons. And these lanyards too. Plus, he's given us some gem fan swag. Looks like prop sorting bags, prop carrier, and some throw bags. Thank you so much. Check him out at fatstrapfpv.com. Get all the custom straps. And check out the goodies at Sloss Drone Derby. We'll be giving all of these away. You got all types in here too. He makes them for the V2 goggles. He makes them for the G2 goggles. He makes them for the traditional Fat Sharks and for the HDZero goggles. All the types of goggles you want over there. One of these, one of those, one of these. I'm so thankful. Appreciate you so much, Steve. Hope to get you out to one of these events, man. You got to come out to Sloss Drone Derby. It's going to be wicked fun this Saturday and Sunday in Birmingham, Alabama.